Welcome back, dear students, for Standard 7 subject Mathematics. Students, we will be doing with chapter number 3, HCF and LCM, module 5. Students, before beginning with this module, let's recall what we have studied in our previous session. In our previous session, we have studied highest common factor, that is HCF. So the HCF defines the greatest factor present in between given two or more numbers. HCF is also called the greatest common divisor, means GCD. To find HCF, we have two important methods, which are prime factorization method and division method. Then we have studied least common multiple, means LCM. LCM is the method to find the smallest common multiple between any two or more numbers. A common multiple is a number which is a multiple of two or more numbers. LCM denotes the least common factor or multiple of any two or more given integers. Then we have seen compare the product of the LCM and HCF. The product of LCM and HCF of any two given natural numbers is equivalent to the product of given numbers. So we know this formula, LCM multiplied by HCF, that is equal to product of the numbers. Students, before beginning with this module, let's see the learning objective of this module. In this module, we will be learning about the use of LCM and HCF. So let's get started. The use of LCM and HCF. There are various real-life applications of LCM and HCF. The best way to understand this and grasp the concept of LCM and HCF is to learn via examples. So let us take a look at few examples which will help you understand LCM and HCF. Let's see example. A shop sells a 450-gram bottle of jam for 96 rupees and a bigger bottle of 600 gram for 124 rupees. Which bottle is it more profitable to buy? So let's see solution. We have learned the unitary method using that we can find the cost of 1 gram jam in each bottle and compare. However, the calculation is easier if we use a bigger common factor rather than a smaller one. Let us use 150, the HCF of 450 and 600 to compare. So here 450, that is equal to 150 multiplied by 3, and 600, that is equal to 150 multiplied by 4. So in the small bottle, 150 gram of jam cost 96 divided by 3, that is equal to 32 rupees, and in the large bottle, 150 gram of jam cost 124 upon 4, means 124 divided by 4, that is equal to 31 rupees. Thus it is more profitable to buy the 600 gram bottle of jam. So like this you will use HCF and LCM in real life. Students, let's see one more example on dividing a certain number by 8, 10, 12, 14. The remainder is always 3. Which is the smallest such number? So we have to find the smallest number. Let's see solution. To find these multiples, let us find the LCM of the given divisor.
Students, here we will find the LCM using vertical arrangement. So, on the right hand side of the vertical line, we will write 8, 10, 12 and 14. Now, we know the factors of 8, 10, 12 and 14. So, first we will see the factors of 8. So, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 4. Factors of 10, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 5. Factors of 12, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 6. And factors of 14, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 7. So here you can see 2 is common factor that we will write on the left hand side of the vertical line. Now 4 we will write below 8. 5 we will write below 10. 6 we will write below 12 and 7 we will write below 40. Now we can further factorize 4 and 6. So factors of 4, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, and factors of 6, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 3. So here you can see 2 is a common factor. So 2 we will write on the left hand side below 2. So here 2 we will write below 4. 5 we will write as it is because we cannot further factorize this. 3 we will write below 6, and 7 also we can write as it is because we cannot further factorize this. So LCM, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, that is equal to 840. To the LCM, we add the remainder of 10 every time. Hence, that number, that is equal to LCM plus remainder. So, LCM we already know, that is 840 and remainder is 3. So, 840 plus 3, that is equal to 843. So, like this we will solve.
Remember this, students, if the greatest of the given number is divisible by the other numbers, then that greatest number is the LCM of the given number. Students, let's see one more example. Shreyas, Shalaka and Snehal starts running from the same point on a circular track at the same time and complete one lap of the track in 16 minutes, 24 minutes and 18 minutes respectively. What is the shortest period of time in which they will all reach the starting point together? So we have to find out the shortest period of time in which they will all reach the starting point together. So let's see solution. The number of minutes they will take to reach together will be a multiple of 16, 24 and 18. To find out the smallest such number, we will find the LCM. Let's see. The factors of 16, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Factors of 24, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and the factors of 18, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So LCM, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 144. So they will come together in 144 minutes, or when we convert this in hours, we will get 2 hours 24 minutes. Students, let's see one more example. Question is add. So to solve, here you can see 17 by 28 plus 11 by 35. So we have to add these two fractions. To add this, we have two methods. So by both methods, we will solve this problem. So let's see method 1. 17 by 28 plus 11 by 35. So here first we will cross multiply by denominator on both sides and then we will solve. So 17 multiplied by 35 plus 11 multiplied by 28 upon 28 multiplied by 35. So when we multiply 17 multiplied by 35, that is equal to 595 plus 11 multiplied by 28, that is equal to 308. So 595 plus 308 upon 28 multiplied by 35. So when we add 595 plus 308, we will get 903. So 903 upon 28 multiplied by 35, that is equal to 980. So 903 upon 908. When we further solve this, we will get 129 upon 140. So answer is 129 upon 140. So let's see the second method now. Students, now we will use method 2 for solving this sum. In method 2, we will find the LCM of 28 and 35 in order to add fractions. Here we will find out LCM of 28 and 35, that is LCM is equal to 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 140. So 17 by 28 plus 11 by 35. So here, to keep our denominator same, here we will multiply both sides by 5 for 17 by 28, and for 11 by 35 we will multiply both sides by 4. So 17 multiplied by 5 upon 28 multiplied by 5 plus 11 multiplied by 4 upon 35 multiplied by 4. So we will get 17 multiplied by 5, that is 85, by 28 multiplied by 5, that is 140, plus 11 multiplied by 4, that is 44, by 35 multiplied by 4, that is 140. So 44 by 140. Now here you can see the denominator is same. Now we can simply add numerator over a common denominator. So here you can see 85 plus 44 by 140. Here we can simply add numerator over a common denominator. So when we add, we will get 129 by 140. So answer is 129 by 140. So taking LCM rather than multiplying the denominators made our calculation so much easier. So students, here we have completed with all the examples. And next module we will see practice set. Thank you dear students.